Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're showcasing the Wyze headphones. These have active noise canceling technology. They're wireless. So here's some details right here. It comes with the Amazon Voice Assistant activation area also. I've tested these for many hours already and it's quite nice. The ANC is about 40 decibels, so that's a lot. Active noise canceling. Here's what's in the box. Okay, you've got the headphone pieces right there. The charging tech was in the box. These are completely wireless, but I also like as they turn. So they fold like that. They have touch sensitive sides. The ear cups are very nice. I wore these for about 5 hours at a time. My ears just slightly got warm, and usually my ears get very hot. So these did a nice job of keeping them cooler than most. And the price on these, you'll have to check their website, but they're very well priced. This is definitely a top pick for this year for the holidays and gifting. So there's your right and left. Here's all your buttons right here. On and off. Pairing was very easy. It uses micro USB for charging. And volume up and down. So all the buttons that you need right there. The headphones work quite well. They don't feel cheap. The headband up here has some nice cushioning. It has a good amount of weight, but not super heavy. And really the star of this is that you can adjust the EQ. There's apps for multiple phones, for iPhone and Android, and it's made for the iPhone. But the voice assistant being built in is quite helpful. We like these headphones from Wyze and think this is a top pick this year for the holiday season. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.